Next section, self-actualization. Objectives. Overview. Meaning of self-actualization. Definition. Theories of self-actualization. Process. Maslow's characteristics of self-actualizers. Self-actualization and health. Self-actualization versus nursing. Application in clinical setting. Top qualities of a self-actualized nurse. Overview. Detail going on. Self-actualization. The term was originally introduced by the theorist Kurt Goldstein for the motive to realize one's full potential, expressing one's creativity, pursuit of knowledge, and the desire to give positively, transform society. Carl Rogers similarly wrote of the curative force in psychotherapy, man's tendency to actualize himself, to become his potentiality, to express, activate all the capacities of the individual. Meaning of self-actualization. To develop or achieve one's full potential. Define self-actualization. It is a psychological process of establishing oneself as a whole person, able to develop one's abilities and to understand oneself. Theories of self-actualization. First, Goldstein's theory. Second, Maslow's hierarchy of needs. First, detail about Goldstein's theory. Goldstein's book, The Organism, presented self-actualization as the tendency to actualize as much as possible individual capacities in the world. The tendency towards self-actualization is the only drive by which the life of an organism is determined. Second, Maslow's hierarchy of needs theory. Abraham Maslow's book Motivation and Psychology started a philosophical revolution out of which grew humanistic psychology. This is reflected in his hierarchy of needs and his theory of self-actualization. Process. Every motivation started from a lower level of need to higher level of needs. Look at this picture. First, physiological need. Second, safety. Third, love and belongingness. Four, extreme needs. If a person fulfills these all the needs, only can achieve the self-actualization. Maslow's characteristics of self-actualization. First, efficient perception of reality. Self-actualizers are able to judge situations correctly and honestly. Second, comfortable acceptance of self, others, and nature. Self-actualizers accept their own human nature with all its flaws, accepted with humor and tolerance. Three, spontaneity. Maslow's subjects extended their creativity into everyday activities. Four, task centering. Most of Maslow's subjects had a mission to fulfill in life or some task or problems. 5. Autonomy. Self-actualizers are free from reliance on external authorities. 6. Continued freshness of appreciation. The self-actualizers seems to constantly renew appreciation of life's basic goods, innocence of vision like that of an artist or child. 7. Fellowship with humanity. Deep identification with. 8. Profound interpersonal relationship. Deep loving bond. 9. Comfort with loneliness despite their satisfying relationship with others and loneliness. 10. Non-hostility sense of humor. This refers to the wonderful capacity to laugh at oneself. 11. Peak experiences. These occasions were marked by feeling of ecstasy, harmony, and deep meaning. 12. Problem centering. Self-actualizers customarily have some mission in life. 13. Fresh appreciation. Self-actualizers people have the wonderful capacity to appreciate again and again, freshly and novelty, the basic goods of life. Fellowship with humanity, deep identification with others. 15. Humanity and respect. All of Maslow's subjects they can be friendly with anyone of suitable character, regardless of class, education, political belief, race, or color. Ethics. They do right and do not do wrong. Needless to say, their notation of right and wrong. Means and ends. They are fixed on ends rather than on means, and means are quite definitely subordinated to these ends. 18. Creativity. This is a universal characteristic of all the people studied or observed. 19. Resistance to enculturation. Certain profound and meaningful since they resist enculturation, which means process by which learn the traditional contents of culture and assimilates its practices and values. 20. Values. Acceptance of the nature of self, of human nature, of much of social life, and of nature and physical reality. 21. Resolution of dichotomies. The dichotomy between selfishness and unselfishness disappears altogether in healthy people. Self-actualization versus health. Self-actualization influence physical health, mental health, and social well-being. It's also determine communicable diseases and non-communicable diseases. For example, self-actualization import immunity power, which can be prevent communicable diseases as well as non-communicable diseases. Self-actualization versus nursing. Application in clinical setting. Individualized care, positive communication, mutual understanding, nursing leadership, interpersonal relationship. Top qualities of self-actualized nurse. 1. Communication skills. 2. Emotional stability. 3. Empathy. 4. Flexibility. 5. Attention to detail. 6. Interpersonal skills. 7. Physical endurance. 8. Problem solving skills. 9. Quick response. 10. Respect. Thank you. Have a nice day.